Look how that left hind leg is way to the left of his left front. Okay, so that means he's going to remain stiff on my right rein because he's not balancing his two hind feet. Why do I know he's not balancing his two hind feet? Because the left one is like, woo, over to the left, not stepping under his body. Okay, so in my riding, I'm going to do another circle here at A. And in my riding, I'm going to actually have to feel that my outside leg helps these hind legs stay in alignment. Right? You can see how hard that is. And he's under tracking because I just want him to first feel balance on the two hind legs. Now I go a little more forward, make sure he's not pushing through the contact. Good, and now I feel a little bit, where does that left hind leg want to land? So I have to mix it a little bit with feeling that his rib cage is soft and swinging under my right leg, right seat bone. But then my outside aids have to make sure he's like coming under with the outside hind leg. So how do I do that?